Here we are in section 3.4 with the answers to number 6 through 11. We're going to graph these, and we're labeling two specific points, the x and y intercepts if they have them. That means we need to have specific points. We can't have the flexibility of picking just anything. So remember, x-intercept happens when we let y equal 0, and the y-intercept happens when x equals 0. So here, we're going to let x be 0, and what do we get? If we have a 0 right here, that guy, 3 times 0 is 0, and we just have 2y equals 10, which means, divide both sides by 2, 2y equals 10, we get y equals 5. And if we let 0 go in for y, we get, that guy's gone, and we get 3x equals 10. So that is 10 divided by 3, 10/3. Good, so 0, 5 is right up about there, and 10/3 0 is right there. Look at that, we have two positive intercepts, a positive y-intercept and a positive x-intercept. We've now gone through the second, first, and fourth quadrant, and it's slanted down and to the right. Good. Number 7. If we let x be 0 to get the y-intercept, and yeah, that guy's all gone because we just times by 0, y equals a -2. So let's put that in there. This one's a little bit tougher on these slope-intercept equations to get the x-intercept. So if we put a 0 there, we've got 0 equals -4/7 x minus 2. Add 2 over, and we get 2 equals -4/7 x times by 7/4, -7/4, times by a -7/4. Gone, 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 gone. Positive, positive. Good. And so we get a negative, what is that? 14/4, which is -7/2. Good. Let's graph that. We have 0, -2. That's good. It's about right there. And then here is -7/2. That's -3.5. So we're about right back there. And then we connect those dots. Oh, make that dot bigger there. Now we connected the dots. Slanted down to the right. We're going through 2, 3, and 4 as the quadrants, and we have a negative x-intercept and a negative y-intercept. Good. Number 8. Y equals 2x. So if we stick in 0 for x to get the y-intercept, I like that one. Put a 0 right there. We get y equals 0. Hey, look, that is the x and the y-intercept. So we go through that one point. Well, that didn't really help us as far as graphing the line, though, so at least we need to get one other point. I don't know, I'll stick in like 1. Y equals 2. Or you could have seen, oh, here's your m right there for y equals mx plus b, up 2 over 1. And you get this line right here. There we go. And yeah, this only goes through the first and the fourth quadrant. Kind of an interesting line there. Good. Number 9, y equals 7. So if we stick in x is 0, we get y is 7. That was a pretty nice one. There's our y-intercept right there. If we try to stick in 0 for y, we get 0 equals 7. Yeah, solve that thing for x. How embarrassing to even write that thing. So that guy doesn't happen. No x-intercept. That's good. We can write that down. And yeah, this is a horizontal line. You could have 5, 7, 3, 7, 2, 7, and we have this going along right up here. Right up at 7. Horizontal, so there is no x-intercept. Number 10. If x is 0, oh, this is nice. This is in slope-intercept form. We're going to get 4. And you can see that by sticking 0 in for x. -3/5 times 0 is 0. So it's like that guy's gone, and we get y equals 4. The next one's a little bit tougher. Let's stick in 0 for y, and we get 0 equals -3/5 x plus 4. Subtract 4 from both sides, and we get 0 equals -3/5 x. Times both, well, divide off this -3/5, which is timesing by a -5/3. That'll be gone. Times by a -5/3, and we have a positive 20/3 for x. So positive 20/3 for the x-intercept is clear up here, probably about, what, 6, almost 7? And then 0, 4 is about right there. And good. Not bad at all. Goes through the second, first, and fourth quadrant, slants downward to the right, has positive x-intercept, positive y-intercept. Good, we know everything about it. All right, last one. Here we're going to let x equal 0, and if that gets scribbled out, we have just negative 2y equals 12, which we can solve by dividing by negative 2 on both sides, and we get a negative 6. If we let 0 go in for y, this part right here is gone, and then we get 7x equals 12, gives us x equals 12 sevenths. Let's put that guy in there. Not as nice, but 0, negative 6 is right there. 12 sevenths, that's not quite 2, so it'll be about right there. And then there we go. That's getting the x and y intercepts and graphing it. It's slanting upward, pretty steep. Has a positive x-intercept, negative y-intercept, and goes through quadrants 1, 4, and 3. Good.